Oh, yeah. Right, shall we head back to the car?
Yeah, it's over there.
So Five Guys was delicious. It was just very difficult to vlog in there. In fact, there's so much space in there, but not enough seats. I wonder why that is. It's like they're just hurrying you to get your food, eat it quickly if you can sit down, or just take it with you. But there's a lot of floor space. So I'm wondering why they don't have more seating. And even the seats that they have are like benches for very skinny people, or just one person either side. But yeah, the food was good. So I had the double cheeseburger, and it is very filling. The large fries were Cajun fries, and they really do fill the cup to the top. In fact, they give you a lot of bag fries as well, so you definitely get your money's worth. So obviously Five Guys is a bit pricier than, you know, Burger King and your standard, more basic fast food joints. And that bill came to about £55, I think, and that was for 3 of us. Yeah, so a bit pricier in Five Guys, but delicious, and it tastes like a better quality burger. So if you haven't had a Five Guys, you need to try one. Anyway, I'm going to turn you around. We're heading back to the car now. I don't know where that is, but I'm sure we'll find it somewhere. The car, yeah. Okay, well, hubby knows where the car is. I haven't got a clue, so let me turn you around.
They got lost.
Oh yeah, they were in Five Guys, weren't they?
Yeah, they obviously didn't know where they were going. You can do that, though. Opposition. Things gonna be in my ear.
Oh.
Kind of brownish and it was jet black.
Huh? Why? Yeah, let's do that.
No point walking up and go back on yourself. You've got to walk up in a minute anyway. I don't need it.
Straight ahead?
Huh?
We're going straight?
You can.
But no, I'm not allowed. No. I'll actually watch. That's the thing.
Because, oh yeah. I mean, you were out.
Wait. Okay, now. Okay.
It was nice.
Oh, leave out, mate.
No, it doesn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and hype it up. And I'll see you in the next one.